Hello everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn one of the most important concept in Postman that can save your time and reduce repetition. Parameterization. Whether you are testing multiple environments or running tests with different set of data, parameterization makes your API testing much more dynamic and efficient. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the authorization. In this tutorial, we will see parameterization and environment. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and open this site reqres.in, and we will cover login API. So in login API, we need to enter username and password, and then we will get the response code 200. Okay. So first, enter the URL. We need to enter the URL. In this API, we need to enter key, API key. As you can view, missing API key. So we need to enter the API key in header section. Now, copy this complete URL and open Postman, click on new, and then click on HTTP. Now, we will add new request here. In this scenario, we need to select post method and then enter URL. As you can view, reqres.in is the base URL, and this is the path for login slash API slash login. This is the path for login. So what we need to do, we need to create a new environment here. As you can view here, no environment. Click on environment. Use environments to easily switch values and test your API in different setup. Suppose you want to perform the testing on production. So you just need to enter the URL in environment, and you just need to change the credential like username and password in environment. Now click on create environment. In the environment section, we will create a environment. So here you need to enter variable initial value, and here two options are available. For now, enter the variable name base URL. Now here option available default and secret. You can hide initial value by clicking on this secret. Suppose you want to hide the password, so you can select here secret. Now enter the base URL here, open Chrome browser and copy this URL, open Postman and enter initial value. First, we will just enter here base URL. Okay, enter base URL here and remove this one. Now, here we will enter our variable name. For enter the variable name, we need to enter here base URL bracket and then enter path here. Base URL and slash API slash login. This is the URL and then enter the environment here. As you can view here, we define the base URL here. We just enter the variable name here, base URL. Now, suppose you want to change the base URL, so you just need to change here base URL. Now, in this API, we need to enter username and password. As you can view in login API, we need to enter username and password. Login, then you can view login successful. Now, copy this complete email and password parameter, open Postman, and then open this one and click on body, click on raw, enter here. Now we need to create a variable for email and password. So here we will enter variable name. Remove this one. Click on new environment. We can enter the environment name here. Suppose this is our staging environment. So here we can enter staging environment. Okay. Environment. Now enter here second variable, which is email and password. Here we will enter email and then enter the password. As you can view here, email available. First enter email here. Remove this code and then enter the password here. Copy this password and enter password here. Now we have defined base URL here, email and password. Click on save for environment. In this API, we need to select the environment. As you can view here, we can select the in multiple environment here. Now, for now, click on staging environment. We have created one environment. Now, we will just enter variable name here. Same as well for password. We will enter variable name here. Okay. Parameterization in Postman allow you to use variables instead of hard coding values like URL, token, or requested data. An environment in Postman help you switch between different setups like development, staging, and production by storing variables, values such as base URL or credentials. Now enter the email variable name and the second variable name is password. As you can view, if you want to hide the password, you can click on secret. Now it will display it like this. Click on save for saving the environment and then enter the password here. Let's save and it will ask for you to where you want to save. Suppose you want to save this request in demo collection or you can create a new collection. We can create a new collection here, staging, and then click on create. Now this request will be saved in this collection. Click on saving. We have successfully created a collection. Click on send. On clicking send, now request is sending and we are getting 401 unauthorized. It means missing API key. We need to enter API key in header section and we can get this API key from this URL. How to get one? We can get the API key from this URL. Open Chrome browser and open this URL and here add this header to your API request. Copy this one and open Postman. Click on header section and enter key here and then enter the value of the key. Here available value, enter value here. Let's again click on send and here you can view on successful login we are getting token and 200 response code. Request successful, the server has responded as required. This is the time of the duration in which complete the request and this is the size in KB 1.16 KB. I hope this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SQL for more QA and automation testing tutorials. See you in the next video.